Hello guys and welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're actually going to make a virtual machine.
Zombie apocalypse.
So I'm just going to create a Kali Linux machine because that's one of the most popular ones. Well, I would guess it is, but there's a lot of different ones. So I'm just going to do it the easiest way. So yeah, I'm just going to show Kali. So this is their website. If you go into download Kali Linux, you can actually download a already set up machine for either VMware or VirtualBox. So I actually use a VMware, so I'm going to download this one. You would probably want a 64-bit VMware, cause yeah, it's if you don't have a 32-bit what's it called? Processor. So yeah, I would recommend using torrent to download it, cause this one is really slow, and this one takes 5 minutes. This one can take up to an hour. Okay, so I've actually already downloaded this one. I have it over here. So you will get a folder called Kali Linux, and then these files. These are the ones I've already created. So what you want to do is actually just extract this. Okay, so it's actually done now. So I would recommend actually keeping this one, because if you ever need to let's say you don't want this one and just need a fresh start, so instead of having to reinstall everything, you can just extract this one again. So now open your VMware. It's probably kind of the same for VirtualBox, but what you wanna do is go to Home, create a new virtual machine. Wait, no, open. So then you wanna go into the thing extracted. Then you'll see this blah 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 .vmx, and you will see that this actually just replaced one of my machines, I think. What the fuck? Oh no, yeah, it's cause I deleted this one or whatever. Okay, but this one should be a fresh restart. So I don't know anything about VirtualBox, but for VMware I would like to change this to bridged and then replicate, and then I actually have this on everything. But if your network stops working, then this one is my main network, so then I would turn off everything but that one. But it should work if you have it like that. So yeah, you can also change number of cores, your hard disk. So this will actually just only expand if you need to expand. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Network adapt, yeah, memory. I would probably like to change that to 3000 maybe. There. Okay, but let's just start this. So it will say that the default password and is Kali and Kali. So you wanna choose that you copied it, cause that's what you did. So you will see the screen, and then advanced options. I've never used that, but I would guess it's basically the BIOS. Oh yeah, to return you would hold Control and then press R, because otherwise your mouse is stuck in here. Yeah. Okay, so we will have to log in yeah, sometime. This will actually be faster the second time we start it. Kali. Okay, there. So yeah, let's just make sure we actually get a network connection up and going. I'm not sure that's going to work, so let's shut it down. Oh, there. Settings. I'm just going to change this to there. I'm going to change this to yeah. So this is the settings for my main one. I have 480. I'm just going. Yeah, I would guess that I only have my main one on that one too, but I can't check that because when I press this one, I accidentally pressed suspend, which will like it won't shut down. It's basically like putting the machine into sleep mode, and you can't really change the settings while it's in that mode. Yeah, look, it's much faster this time. Well, not a lot, but yeah, there. So now you can basically do anything you want. This is your two desktops. Like if you open something here, you can change to that one, like that. So this is your file directory. So if you're not like, if you aren't used to Linux, then like this is nothing like Windows. Like you have, oh yeah, you would probably want to change your keyboard. So to do that, go into Settings Manager, go into Keyboard. So I have a Swedish key. Oh yeah. So I have a Swedish keyboard. So I'm just going to do there, and then remove the other one, then close. Yeah, there. So there's like etc. So instead of having like etc., you would have like that, or like /Kali. No, it's /home/Kali. This is your main directory. This is basically like the C drive, I would kind of say. I haven't played around that much with Kali, but yeah. So right now your default browser will be Firefox, but yeah. So what I would do firstly is to install Snap, because that will help you with installing other programs. So Snap is basically like a app store, but not really. Snap Kali Linux. Okay, so either you can press here or you can hold Ctrl-Alt-T to open a command line. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. So this will say permission denied. So basically then you want to use sudo. I would probably always use sudo, because that's basically like admin permissions. You have to type in your password. When you type it, it won't show, but it will be there. Oh yeah, shit. Most of the time, like, it will have sudo in front of it, but sometimes it doesn't. But like, commands like this won't need sudo. Pretty sure about that. Oh yeah, also you can't copy in it with, paste it with Control V, you have to do Control Shift V. So sometimes this pops up, authenticate. I think you have to type it like 2. Oh yeah, it's cause 1, 2, 3 or something. I don't know. You have to type it multiple times sometimes. So, snap, yeah, it's installed. So now we can just do like, maybe if we want Chrome snap. I think this is the one. Wait, I'm just go to snapcraft.io. Store maybe? Oh yeah, Chrome. Oh yeah, this only has Chromium, but I'm going to show you how you can fuck. Okay, I'm going to show you how we can install Chromium for Chrome for Linux. Think. Yeah, so basically, for Kali Linux, you would want Deb because it's a Kali Linux is built on Debian, so Debian is the closest to Kali Linux. So we want a .deb. I don't really remember these commands though. Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, shit, sorry guys. I forgot that my search thingies are in English. Swedish, not English. Okay, yeah. Chrome is kind of Chrome for Kali Linux. Kind of have to search like this, you know. So yeah, we've already done that. Yeah, we already have that one. It's this one. Oh yeah, it's just apt install. Maybe it has to be in like downloads. Sudo apt. Oh shit. Oh, install. There. I don't really think. Yeah, this is everything. I actually wanted to show you like how to use Snap. But yeah. So sometimes it doesn't have a snap and then you will have to install this. So to install the .deb you will have to do sudo apt install and then go into its directory, press it and then Control C. You can use Control C and Control V for everything but this. Oh shit. So now we should have Chrome. Yeah. I'm not going to use Chrome though. Visuals. No, we can actually search for Visual Studio. So yeah, this actually has like stuff, Visual Studio, like that stuff. So just one simple command, you don't have to download anything. This will just do it for you. Yeah, this could take like some time, not that long though. Okay, there. So now we have visual. Wait, we should have. Maybe we have to reinstall. No, restart. Okay, so I'm just going to show you Sublime. So I'm pretty sure it doesn't have a snap. Wait, it actually does. Okay, yeah, this will be easier because it actually has a snap. I was going to show you another download thing. So you can't use normal debs, no normal exes for this, and yeah, I'm just going to restart my machine. Okay, sorry, I'm pretty sure the installation for Visual Studio from Snap is like kind of weird. So just use the deb one instead. Just download it. I can show it in a second. So you should be able to drag stuff here, like a normal machine. This is from my Windows machine to my Linux machine. We should be able to set it as our wallpaper. Yeah. So this is like really fun to play around with. You can do some hack me and like hack the box. It's really fun actually. I've done some myself, but yeah. Oh no. Of course I click fucking cancel. Yeah, I would recommend using the debs over Snap if you're not sure it will work. Sudo apt install Kali. There. Shouldn't we be able to change our should be able to change our passwords? It's probably really easy. I'm just not that good with Linux machines. Okay, Pro. Yeah, there. Visual Studio. Yeah, it works. But you will have to download everything like C# for C# programming, like Lua and stuff like that. Because otherwise it won't be supported. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what else I should show. But if you guys want more like Kali Linux tutorials, then I could actually make some. Cause yeah, I use Kali Linux machines a lot now because I really like them. Yeah, but that's everything for me for today, but I will be back in another video as soon as I can. Oh yeah.